Today we're doing beef bone broth. We're doing beef bone broth for our sides, our soups, every day, cooking every day. All right, we got our bones. I got rumba meats. Get that from Walmart. They're pretty good. And then we got our beef neck bones. Got that from the butcher. I got a half a pound. Oh, it was like $3.50. All right, that's just to add a little bit more flavor. But let's take care of the beef bones first. So in we go with a pot of water. We're gonna boil off all the impurities and, get all that scum and stuff off the top. Because all of that will wind up in your beef broth. We don't want it there, so we're just gonna try and get it out now. So after about 20 minutes, this is what you got. Guys, this is gonna go by really fast. So we're gonna take this, put this in a 350-degree oven for about 35 minutes. And this is what you got. All right, now we're just gonna take all of that, put this into our pressure cooker. Carrots, celery, onions. We're gonna cover this up with water. And we're gonna cook this for an hour and a half. And we're gonna let it the pressure release by itself naturally. We use six cups of water. And guys, this is what we got. We got bone broth. Guys, we got our own bone broth. We made this ourselves. Do you know the advantage your recipes are gonna have? Because you made it yourself. There's no preservatives. It hasn't been sitting on the shelf for 6 months. Easy smeezy. Guys, you gotta do this. If you have a pressure cooker and you haven't been using it, this is one good reason to pull that thing out and make yourself some bone broth. Beef bone broth. You can do chicken bone broth. You can even do a ham bone broth. Guys, as we strain this down, let's just go real quick. A broth is not meant to be a soup, or a stock. We take our broth and we make it into a stock. So you can add your meat, your salt, your pepper, whatever you want to the broth. So it's just your base and you made it yourself. Guys, level up your cooking. With the prices in the store, we got to take it back to old school and start making it ourselves. Every day cooking, cooking every single day.